Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to log out of Outlook app. We start by opening the Outlook app. After that, click on the top icon and then on the settings icon. Here we will enter the accounts option. Then we are going to click on the account that interests you. After this, if we go down, we will see the Remove Account option, which we will click on. Then we will see how a window opens where we can choose Remove from this device if we want the account to be removed and thus log out. Confirm the action with Remove. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.